So in terms of driving, if you feel like driving is becoming increasingly difficult because of your diagnosis or your disability, and you've actually chosen not to drive but still want that independence and that autonomy to drive and get to places that you would like to be, don't think of that as the end of the road. You can always reach out to your GP to see if you are deemed medically fit to be on the road, and then if so, you could come to an occupational therapist for a driving assessment, which will give you the tools and the recommendations that may get you back onto the road. We may just need extra lessons to get you there, so don't see it as the end of the road. There's still light at the end of the tunnel for driving. We just need to see exactly what your unique issue is and help you with that.